Real quick, I want to show you all the part number before I start this video. Air door actuator 604-109, because everybody had trouble finding it, so I had to find it myself. But that's the part number, and we're fixing to get started. All right, 2008 Pontiac G6. Crank it up and show y'all. So, y'all hear that clicking? Yep. Let me see. I'll make it do it again. It's coming up from under the dash. That's the recirculation. It's going out. So, fixing to fix that here in this video. So, go ahead and pop this off. You see all them clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'll have a part of the wiring harness. It'll be clipped in there. You just pull it out. It's pretty simple. Now you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 screws down here to undo to get this out, and then you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 up here, and they're all 7 mils. Get those undone, get this glove box dropped out. So actually, guys, I told y'all wrong. Y'all have those 3 on the bottom, and then you'll have 2 up top. Don't undo these because they're actually for the latch, so you can keep those tight. I didn't know it, but they're like kind of screwed to themselves. So anyways, just get this out the way. And where we're gonna be going, I don't know if you can see that right there, but that's where it's at. It is right there where that wire's going into. So that's what we're gonna be taking off. Take off this panel too. Mine just fell off because, I mean, I got 400,000 miles on this car, so it just fell off. But yours has clips just like mine, but they should be clipped in, maybe, unless you at 400,000 too. Anyways, I got that clip out. All I did was use this pick tool. I got up in there with my right hand, not my left, this is my left, but I got up in there with my right hand and pulled. I ran my left hand through here and I pulled it off, and now it looks like a 7. I'm not real sure what size that bolt is, but it's pretty small. So I'll update you on that bolt, and then it should pop out and you can pop a new one in. If y'all don't have this set up, I highly recommend it. So 7/32 on the end, and I was able to get in there and get that bolt. Now I should be able to reach my hand back here and pull this out. It should just have one. All right, got the old one out. It was a pain in the butt. So you got, it's gonna go in like this right here. All right, this one's gonna clip in, and this back side is gonna clip in. This one's gonna screw in, so just remember that. So whatever way you install it, you wanna make sure it was that way. Like mine was on full recirculation, because that's where it's got stuck. So I'm plugged in the new one, and I'm gonna turn it over, and I'm gonna set to recirculation. Okay, it's on, should be fully on recirculation by now. I just want to get a little bit more time. Lights on, ain't blinking. Shut it off. Pull that key out so it ain't dinging. And now you're good to put it back in there. Yeah. Listen. All right, that's way better. Yes, sir. We in there now. Anyways, I'm gonna put it all back together. I'm not gonna video it. There was a couple bolts I noticed, or a couple spots where bolts were, that I never took out. So maybe I was just missing them. I'm not real sure. Hopefully not. Y'all just be mindful and pay attention. Anyways, I'm gonna put it all back together, and I hope this video helped y'all out. Like and subscribe. We'll definitely be doing more stuff to this car, because it's got right at 400,000 on it, so she's been a good one, so can't complain. All right, thank y'all.